Capricorn, this is your channel messages for the 20th of November. Yes, November. I am your host, Vanessa Carby. Capricorn, the devil. Now, I know that you don't like to see the devil, even though sometimes the devil is what makes money. Isn't that weird? Why does liquor, sex, drugs, and alcohol make money so much, but you have yet to give the church your 10% tithes? I keep telling Uno, anytime I come to the anytime I come to church on Sunday, give the tithes at the door. Stop waiting until you reach inside when the pastor start use them voice. Why you never pay the pastor for using their voice at the door? Wanna go club, wanna pay at the door. Wanna go buy LCB or wanna go pay at the cash register. When you go to church, pay as you enter. Nevertheless, Capricorn, even though you're the devil, you are known to be a church man. So this is your channel song, Capricorn. I wish to every city, to every hood, and every ghetto block in America. Listen, going to the hood, just stop by to say what's up. Letting you know your baby girl ain't doing so tough. Even though you passed gone for long years, still wake up late at night crying tears. Just thinking about the days you used to talk to me, smiling while I'm sipping on this Hennessy. And remember we'd brag on how rich we would be. To get up out this hood was like a fantasy, and now you see it. No, I can't believe my ears and what everybody's saying. Boy, I tell you, folks don't know the half. I'd give it all up just to take one ride with you. How I used to kick it on the front porch, and how I used to lay back and smoke weed, and all the little things and all the joints that we do. Now I'm just missing you. How I wish that I could hold you now. I wish that I could touch you now. Oh, I wish that I could talk to you, be with you somehow. I know you're in a better place, even though I can't see your face. I know you're smiling down on me, saying everything's okay. And if I make it out of shelter, I'll see you again someday. I wish, Capricorn, you wish. Okay, Capricorn, I'm getting you wish you could have hold somebody now. You could have touched them, talk to them, and be with them somehow. You know, maybe your loved one has passed on and you can't find closure. Maybe you have grown up with either mother or father, and you guys had things you needed to talk about, but your mother just passed suddenly, your father passed suddenly. The business was unresolved, and now all of these emotions, all this clarity that you wanted to clarify, now it has to be taken to the grave. I'm getting your wish. And I'm getting one of your wishes was you and this person. I'm getting one of your wishes was this person seeing you achieve your dreams. And we would brag on how rich we would be. To get up out this hood was like a fantasy, right? But I'm getting, even though your homie may not be here, they're looking down on you, saying everything's okay. And if I make it out of shelter, I'll see you again someday. I wish I fighting for my motherfucking life, 311. Fighting for my life. Anyways, we're going into your 5-card future spread. So let us go ahead and go straight into your message. Let's see what your main card is. Your main card is, I know you like to see I know you like to see the cards. Let's see what your main card is. Your main card is a 3 of Pentacles. So I'm getting work. You're supposed to be working with some people. You're going in business. I'm getting, this is all about business right now. Or I'm getting you want to form a new alliance with some people. All right, let's see what your love situation looks like. We have the 7 of Wands. Okay, so I'm getting no love right now. I'm getting you don't want any love. You're running away from love. Maybe because your focus is this business or work and you don't want any distractions. What's happening with your career and money? We have the Sun card. I'm getting your career is great, your money is great, Tour. Maybe that's why you don't want any relationships. You feel like anybody who's going to come into your life right now, they're going to want to get pregnant for you because you have a lot of money, or be getting them a couple dynamic. Let's see what's happening as it comes on to your health. Your health is a moon card. So I'm getting you haven't been to the doctor in a very, very long time. Now the sun is beside the moon here. Sun and moon together usually is a pregnancy. If it's not a pregnancy, I'm getting something going on with your prostate. No, I'm also getting your co-workers want to meet this baby. Your co-workers want to meet your child. I'm getting, you know, is it that you don't want your co-workers know that you have a baby? Or I'm getting you don't want your co-workers to meet the baby because I don't know if the baby look like somebody else. But I'm getting you hiding this baby from your job, you're hiding this baby from a co-worker. Maybe you have a nice job and you're supposed to pay child support. So I'm getting you hide the baby. Or yes, the baby and yours. Because I'm getting once this baby is confirmed, your wages will get garnished. So your health though, I'm getting you need to check out your health. You don't know what happened to you, you haven't been to the doctor in a very long time. You might having pains here and there, or you're seeing symptoms of things and I'm getting you ignoring it. You know, you don't go to the doctor until you're dead, right? And let's see what's happening with your health, home life, your home life. Your home life is a 6 of Pentacles. Now, even though your money and your career is great, I'm getting your home life, your fridge no stock, you have almost no furniture, you haven't did laundry in a very long time, I'm getting your house look empty. It look emptier than a Claude Canadian Museum. However, you have a lot of money, and I'm getting your career is booming. So I'm getting you're basically plain broke because you don't want to pay child support, or you don't want this woman to say you have a job. So you pretend say you're unemployed, you pretend say you lose your job. I don't know. But I'm getting, you don't want the people them know say you have this child, and you don't want your girlfriend know you have this work. We have the moon card again. The moon card, we're getting something about a Pisces, 2 Pisces. We have Illuminati, and we have Witch Doctor. I don't know what this is. This may be an industry baby then. I'm getting an industry baby. You don't want them music producer, you know, say you have a baby. I'm getting this babies from industry. Maybe that's why you're hiding it. Yeah, FBI, literally. You got a Messiah on your hand. The Star card, one more. And Leo. Okay, Capricorn. So I'm getting Sun in the 10th house. Or I'm getting something, you have a Leo Capricorn placement that's very, very significant. I'm getting a baby. The baby I want Leo. Or the baby is going to be given to the industry. Or the child was given to the industry from there where a baby. Me getting that's why you hide the child. Maybe you did work in the industry. Me getting the industry never know say you had this baby. I don't know if the baby is grown up now because it could have been a baby turned into the moon card. So me getting it was a girl. Me getting you hide the baby from the industry. Maybe you did owe the industry one. The industry did put on you. I don't know why Capricorn is here. Okay, so Capricorn was here for some reason. Capricorn, we're doing your reading. Yes, something about Capricorn. Industry. We have Capricorn, we have Leo. I didn't even see that I pulled it. The Star card and Illuminati. Yes, so I'm getting the baby. I'm getting, maybe only don't want to give over this child. Maybe don't want to give over the baby on the promise, but I'm getting it's time to give it over. When they made the deal, and I'm getting the industry is waiting on this child that you have watched, grown up, but now they're ready to collect them. I'm going to leave it here until next time. Bye.